Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in a bonus video throughout the week. And if y'all want to see all the goodies that I got here on this table, then please keep watching. Dollar Tree, TJMAXX, and then I also received a package from Too Faced. So I'm gonna start off with Dollar Tree because it was just only a few things, but of course I wanted to share. So I got this here scarf. Y'all, let me tell you, Dollar Tree has some really cute colorful scarves. And then I also got some mothballs for my laundry room because it doesn't have a vent in there, so sometimes it's like it just smells like closed in. So I was like, let me grab some mothballs. You know, these here are old school mothballs. Let me know if y'all still use mothballs for anything, and if you do, let me know what you use them for. I got this here quick drying ink gel pen, and I got this because no particular reason, because it was pink, and these here pens do write really good, so I got that. So got this here for, I'm not sure where I'm going to put it, but I got this here for my probably kitchen area. I may put this over there where the my coffee situation, like my coffee station, I may put it over there. If not, I may put it on the entryway table. So I'm not sure. So I got all of that from Dollar Tree, and then I did go to Ulta, and I am wearing the new Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and I got the color Chai, y'all. So again, let me know what y'all think. I'm not 100% sure, but I did that face scan at Ulta, like on the app. It's like a face scan where you can determine your foundation shade, and it picked Chai, but I don't know, because it when I was applying it, it looked really orange on me. So I got the Born This Way foundation in the color Chai. So here's the packaging. I'm not sure if I'm gonna switch out the color, because like I said, when I was applying the foundation, I did notice it did look a little orange for me. So I don't know if it's just when you first apply, and then once you let it sit, it may oxidize. So I don't know, y'all. So that's the bummer with not being able to get a sample or get color matched. So I did get that, and then it came with this here gift. You got a primer, mascara, and a bronzer. I'm not sure about the bronzer. It's the chocolate soleil bronzer, and it's just come in these here small sample sizes. It's like chocolate, if I ain't mistaken. Yeah, it smell like cocoa. You get the little mascara and the primer. I'm not gonna open the mascara because I do have the full size mascara, and I remember Too Faced mascara was one of the first mascaras I ever purchased, because I remember everybody raving about that there mascara. I also got this here Touchland Power Mist, and this here is a hand sanitizer. I got it because of the packaging, you guys, but when I sprayed it, it smelled really good. They have this here scent is the watermelon scent. They have berry, others, and I will try and link everything down below, you guys, because this here hand sanitizer is so cute. Look how cute that is. Spray, and you can smell the watermelon. It's like a faint smell. It's not overpowering or strong, because you know those Bath and Body Works hand sanitizer can be really strong, especially the pumpkin and all of those type of flavors. But I thought this was cute. It don't have a lock on it. I don't think if you put this in your purse, you would have to worry about it spraying by itself, because I'm just tapping it and it doesn't like spray off by itself. So you really have to push it hard. So I'm sure you can place this in your purse and don't have to worry about anything. But if I do place this in my purse, you know I'm going to place it inside of something just to make sure. That was, I think these here was like $12, and that was it with Ulta. No, and I got a lip liner. That's over there, y'all. It's a LA Girl lip liner. It's in the color Sugar and Spice. Again, I'm gonna link it down below because y'all know I'm trying to find the perfect nude. I did get matte cork, but that wasn't the dark nude that I was looking for. It's still a cute color, but it wasn't the color I was looking for. This here is TJMAXX. I got this here pumpkin to go in front of my doorway at the entryway table, and I love the fact that it was this pink with gold. Like anything pink and gold is just pretty to me. And this here was $7.99. I didn't want to get orange pumpkin. I wanted to get something different. When I saw this pink, I was like, okay, I'm getting this. Of course, I went to the makeup section, and y'all, my TJMAXX is starting to carry milk makeup. And I haven't been to TJMAXX in a while, so they may have been already selling milk makeup, so I don't know. But I found this here, a crushed lip glaze, and it says high shine non-sticky hydrating gloss. So here is the gloss. This here is in the color Nova. So here's the color right there. I think it's Nova. I don't know, y'all. Well, I thought it was like a lip gloss where it has like a wand to it and you can apply it on your lips. So it looks like this. And at first I'm like, is this a, like, you know, go under your eye area? Because you see how it has this here applicator, and normally this applicator is on like stuff for your under eye area to help with depuffing. But it says it's a lip product. So let me, yeah, I'm trying to be so cheap. So here's the color right here. It has like a minty smell to it. So this may be like that, your lips, but a little better. Didn't mention this was $5.99. So yeah, I did see some foundation, but I wasn't sure of my particular color, and the foundation I think was like $12.99. And then moving on, I got this here lip gloss by the brand Lime Crime. I never purchased any lip products from this brand, y'all. I really didn't. This here is in the color Melon Smoothie. It was $5.99. See this, y'all. I love. Oh, this is so pretty. I think, is this a liquid lipstick? I didn't want a liquid lipstick, but I guess if it is, it's fine. It didn't say a soft. No, it says soft focus lip veil. So again, I'm not too familiar with the whole Lime Crime makeup line, but here is the cute packaging. I love pink. I'm a sucker for pink and brown and pink and gold. Like this here is so cute, and here's the color. It has a it has a fruity smell, so I can't wait to try it, because the way it feels like, it just feel like it doesn't feel like my everyday type of thick lip gloss. So this may go on like really nice and light or whatever. So hopefully this color will work. I'm sure it will, because if not, I'll just use a lip liner. Of the makeup items, I got the MAC Love Me lipstick, and these here were $7.99. This one because of the special packaging, because I was going to get another MAC lipstick, but when I saw this special packaging and it was the same price, of course I got the one with the special packaging. Here is the packaging. Like, look how cute that packaging. That's why I said MAC, if they would just switch it up once in a while with different lip packaging, because they had that black lip packaging since forever. And I got this here color because it's more of a fall type of lip. Swatch it, which is right here. And then last but not least, I got this here black dress because it was on sale for $6, and I got it just to wear around the house, because even though I'm around the house, I still sometimes want to be cute, y'all, if y'all get what I'm saying. So yeah, here's that. And then I can also wear it outside too, like if I'm running to the market or Target or something, I can throw that on with my Birkenstocks. And then y'all, I have to mention, this is not makeup related, but I just wanted to go ahead and throw it in this here video. I'm not sure how to pronounce the name. I'll leave the name across the screen and all the details on this here particular item, but this company did send this here scale to me to review, and I will share more about this scale in my upcoming Weight Watchers video, because I had a few people ask me how I'm doing on Weight Watchers, am I still lifetime and things like that. So I was like, what better way to share is, of course, uploading a video for you guys. So here, y'all, this here scale, I just got it yesterday, and so far so good. Like I was in the market to purchase a scale. I was getting ready to purchase the Weight Watchers scale. I don't know, I just kept putting it off, and then they ended up reaching out to me asking me to review one of their products, and I did pick the body scale because with me being lifetime member, I don't have to go to Weight Watchers, you know, every week. And sometimes I still want to know how much I weigh, even if I can't get into a Weight Watchers, because I'm not familiar with the location where I'm at now. I was more familiar with Covington because I used to work there. So, you know, I always had access to get in there whenever I wanted to, and I always knew the schedule. With this whole corona, a lot of stores ain't, you know, a lot of Weight Watchers centers aren't open, you know, every day like they used to and things like that. So with that being said, you guys, I said now I can weigh myself at home. Here is a smart body scale, which means it connects to your phone, and I was just like, oh my goodness. So here's the scale here. Store this here in my bathroom. It's like that glass type of scale. Good thing about it, because when I was reading, I was like, oh my goodness, we're gonna need batteries. No, you don't. All you do is take the charger that it comes with, you add one of your little blocks to it, you charge it for the full 2 hours. The next time you have to charge this here scale is in 4 months. And I was like, okay, that's decent, because of the fact that I don't have to, you know, worry about plugging this up every time, because I don't have no plugs in my bathroom that's like on the floor, like low. Okay, so now I don't have to worry about this for another 4 months. So I did connect it to my phone, and it tracks your body fat. I haven't checked out everything on here. Your metabolism, your muscle, your BMI, your fat. So it shuts off automatically. You don't have to worry about turning it off or hitting a switch. If you don't touch it for a few minutes or a few seconds, it'll shut off by itself. Once you get this here scale, I gotta get the pricing and everything, so I'm gonna leave that across the screen as well. You got market for a scale like myself. If y'all doing Weight Watchers or about to do Weight Watchers, or even if y'all don't do Weight Watchers and don't have a scale, let me tell you, a scale is a plus. I didn't even know that, because the whole time I was on Weight Watchers, I never had an in-house scale. Here's the back of it, and it has your 4 rubber feet. Get more into this here scale when I do my update video on my weight. But yeah, I wanted to share that with you guys. I have my phone over there, but once you get the scale, you open it up, you download the particular app, you put in your height, your weight, your age, and all of that, and it keeps up with your weight. It tells you if you beefy, obesity, or if your BMI too high or whatever. Like, it tells you all of that on the app. And I even set my daughter up on the app, so I'm not sure of her height, but they have her at, I think, obesity, because I think I put her as 4'1", and she's 105, I think. Her under obesity, which, you know, but yeah, that scale is the bomb. This scale here is bomb, you guys. So like I said, I'm gonna leave all the details about this here scale down below, and I will do a updated video on this here scale, because like I said before, I didn't know how important it was to have a scale, because I always had access to the Weight Watchers scale. So hoping when I go back to go to Weight Watchers, I think I'm gonna go this Friday. I think I'm gonna go Friday coming up. Hopefully this scale and the Weight Watchers scale is like hand in hand, where I don't have to worry about, you know, being off a few points, because, you know, at home I can weigh with no clothes on. So let's see what's the big difference, and when I do my updated video, of course, I will update y'all on that. So yeah, I just had to share that with you guys, because y'all know I will never ever share anything that I'm not loving, and so far so good with this hair scale. That being said, you guys, I have the last part of this hair haul with this hair Too Faced unboxing. Ordered anything from Too Faced, so when I got the package and saw that it was in this pink pretty box, I was like, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Because you know, everything on the Too Faced website you can get from Sephora and Ulta. And why did I order from Too Faced? Because they had a few things on sale and I wanted to order from them. Really pleased with Too Faced, you guys. Like I said, I never ordered from Too Faced before. So here is the inside of the Too Faced packaging, and it says, it's my greatest hope that these Too Faced products inspire you to become the very best version of yourself. Love you, boo. Gerard, the CEO of the founder of Too Faced Cosmetics. Here is the inside. You got your tissue paper with the Too Faced sticker on the front. Oh, why I ordered from Too Faced? Because they had a sale. It had, if you buy something over $50, you got a few little bonus pieces. And again, if y'all know me and if y'all been a rider from way back when, y'all know Miss Tamika, I like to get something for something. So yeah, I forgot, that's why I purchased it from the Too Faced website. Pieces was this here Too Faced mirror, and let's see what it looks like. The deal was, if you spend $50, you got this here mirror, and I think the bronzer. Here's the pink mirror, so it's just like the box credit card. So you get a double-sided mirror. Okay, and then the next freebie was the chocolate gold soleil bronzer, and it's like a deluxe size. So this here would be like a this here would be this smell good, y'all. It smells like cocoa. This here would be more of a deluxe size. Traveling with this here item. Not that I'm going anywhere, y'all, but I'm just saying, if I do go, I can travel with that. This here Too Faced Tutti Frutti foundation, and I got the color chestnut, and I got this here because it was on sale. I think it was on sale for $8 or $9. I'm not even sure about the color, but at this point, if it don't work, I'm sure I'm not even going to take the time to return it. So fingers crossed I can make it work, because it was only $9, y'all. Reason for this hair purchase, you guys, was because of the hair Too Faced pumpkin spice palette. I didn't even know they were coming out with this. I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta have it. Here's the packaging again, because I probably showed it really quick. I think of the Christmas packaging, like the Christmas palette. And look at this. I ain't been happy over makeup in so long. Like, I've been buying it, but this really like put a smile on my face, y'all. I don't know why. Oh my goodness, it smells like pumpkins. Beautiful these hair colors are. Still my type of colors, honey. Look at that. I cannot wait to create a look with it. Want me to do a makeup look with using all Too Faced products? Give this video a big thumbs up, and also let me know down below, and y'all know I got you, because I can actually sit here and say I have enough Too Faced products to actually do a full face using only Too Faced. Guys, I can go ahead and do a makeup tutorial, because I miss doing my makeup tutorials on my channel, because they don't normally do that good. But I'ma still go ahead and upload them anyway, because that's what I like doing, is makeup tutorials. Sometimes it's a lot of work to edit the video and do all of that for, you know, for me to get less than 200 views. But I ain't gonna worry about that, because I love doing YouTube. So I'm gonna go ahead and not worry about the views and all of that, because when you love what you love, it doesn't matter at the end of the day. That's why I always encourage y'all to subscribe to my channel and give my videos thumbs up, because even if y'all don't subscribe, the thumbs up and share my videos do also help out my channel, you guys. If y'all do YouTube, y'all know. Yeah, one more time. Hey y'all, that was everything that I got. So now I'm gonna go ahead and, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna probably take this makeup off, or just sit with the makeup on for a while, just to see how it wears throughout the day, because like I said, I am wearing the new Too Faced Born This Way matte foundation. Give this video a big thumbs up, because you know it helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell, so y'all can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.